Hello students, in today's session I am here to start with a new topic, that is to know about the nature of Indian economy. Students, we all know what is the meaning of the term economy. Economy means a system which helps us to generate our livelihood. So, for the same purpose, the whole Indian economy is divided among three major sectors to generate their livelihood, namely primary sector, secondary sector, and last we have tertiary sector or tertiary sector. It can be pronounced in any way. So, it is an occupational distribution of your population into three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary, and India is going to be having economic development by developing your primary sector through your secondary sector as well as tertiary sector. In this session, I am going to start with primary sector. What do we mean by primary sector? Sector which depends upon natural factors, means their production, their productivity directly or indirectly is the outcome, is the result of natural factors. And to name and to start with this, the biggest example is here to cover your agriculture sector. Students, we all know before the advent of Britishers, India was known as a golden bird. Why it was known as a golden bird? Because of its industries. But when Britishers entered India, they converted India as an agricultural economy. Since independence 1947 till the year, in the world map, in the world economy, India is known as an agricultural economy. So, we are here to see that agriculture is considered as a main occupation of India. When I am going to call it as a main occupation, we are here to see that what is its contribution for your national income, what is its contribution to your employment, how much it is helpful to reduce the problem of poverty. Students, if I am going to talk about these problems like population, poverty, because we have started unemployment, we have started with Indian economy, and Indian economy is facing these problems. They are rooted in India. So, these problems are called as socio-economic problems. What are they called as? They are called as socio-economic problems. So, how much agriculture is a factor or responsible, or it is here to give us a solution to reduce the extent of poverty and unemployment for our country. We are here to discuss agriculture and its various aspects, its causes, its contribution, government steps one by one, green revolution in this chapter, primary sector agriculture. There are two words. The first word is agriculture and the second word is allied activities. Now, what do we mean by these allied activities? Allied activity means those activities which are dependent upon agriculture in one way or the other way, means any activity which is dependent upon agriculture directly or indirectly to generate their livelihood, to earn their income, they are called as allied activities. For example, fishing, poultry farm, these are animal husbandry. These are all the examples which are dependent upon agriculture directly or indirectly, and they are generating their income out of this. So, these are all the examples of allied activities. To start with agriculture, first of all, we are here to discuss about its goal. What is its contribution to India? What is this role for economic development of India? As I told you, India was never ever an agricultural economy. India was being converted into an agricultural economy with the motive during the period of Britishers, but unfortunately after 74 years of independence till the date, we are here to call ourselves as an agricultural economy. To start with, we are here to see that what is its contribution in national income. Yes, the major portion of your national income after 74 years of independence, approximately I am here to tell you 1/4 of your national income. 1/4 means out of 100, 25 rupees are being contributed by whom? By agriculture in India's national income. This figure no doubt is highly significant. Yes, I am here to tell you that after independence there is a decline in this figure, but still it is not to be ignored. If I am going to make comparison with other developed nations like USA, Russia, China, their agriculture is also contributing, but it is in single digit, like it can be say that it is in 3%, 4%, 5% like this. The first part, that India approximately 1/4 of your national income is coming from agriculture. And students, you will be shocked to know that 25 rupees means a lot, but Indian government is uncertain about this, that by the end of the financial year whether I am going to get it or not. Why it is like this? Because Indian agriculture is known as a gamble of monsoons. It is dependent upon natural rainfall. It is dependent upon monsoons. If there is a good rainfall, good monsoon, we will have a good crops, and in case we don't have, so we are not assured whether we are going to get this 1/4 of income by the end of the financial year surely or not. And this is the difference in case of a developing nation and a developed nation. In case of a developed nation like USA, China, hardly 3 to 4% of their national income is coming from agriculture, but their agriculture is not a main occupation, but it is developed. And the sad part, in India, agriculture is the main occupation. 25 rupees out of 100 are being contributed by agriculture, but end of the story, Indian agriculture is backward. Indian agriculture is not developed. Indian agriculture totally dependent upon irrigation facilities, that is from nature on monsoons. I hope it is clear. This is the first point. Then second point, what is its contribution? Employment. India agriculture are moving together. Yes, if I am here to tell you about the data since independence, this was an approximation, it is changing. So since independence, their contribution for your national income and employment, no doubt it has gone down. But whatever employment is still there, we are not here to ignore the figure. It is too much. Why it is too much? Because of population factor. The only one reason, that it's your population. And you know that India is known for its villages, right? So most of the population stays in rural area, and in rural area the main occupation is nothing. The main occupation is employment only. So maximum employment opportunities in India are from where? It is from agriculture sector only. Students, today I have covered two terms. Just go through this, and in next lecture I will explain to you more about the role of agriculture and its problems related to production and productivity. Thank you.